Textual iconic logo design features both an icon and associated text. Despite the icon and text being paired together, the icon is always designed in a way where it can be used independently as part of an effective branding strategy. Here are some textual iconic logo designs of mine, with a description of each. Goldstein is a business that finances redevelopment projects. The icon in this design represents 3 stages of development. The type is a thin, subtle serif to emphasize a high-class image. The Label Shop is an online label printing company. The icon represents a ream of labels on rollers. The type is a stencil sans serif to emphasize the printing aspect. Juvino is a private winemaker and retailer. The mark depicts rosé wine, red wine and white wine. The overlay of bottles is arranged into a pleasing design which represents something similar to a stained glass window. This reflects the lifestyle of the winemakers and the location of the wine cellar. The type would be considered as a subtle serif. It's condensed, upbeat and modern. Summit Rank, as the tagline states, is a search engine marketing company. The icon is an example of a double entendre. At first glance, especially when the logo is presented at a smaller size, we might see 2 snow-capped mountains. It then becomes clear that the left snow-capped mountain is in fact an arrow cursor. This represents the IT aspect and the act of climbing to the top of search engine results. Text is a basic modern sans serif for simplicity and readability. Wicked Smart is an independent music producer. The icon represents a Boston Terrier with negative space at the mouth. This represents both a muzzle and a suggestion that the dog has had its mouth removed. This conveys a message that the music is aggressive yet harmless.